And so first of all, we've got to go down here and open up Lightroom, which I have open. And I want to eliminate some of them. To open up a photo from the grid, we're going to double click on it, which opens the photo up. And if I go on down to my keyboard and I press the right arrow at the very bottom, it moves it to the next photo. If I press the arrow to the left, it moves it back. So what I'm going to do is I want to keep this photo, and I want to keep that one, and this one I'm not sure. Let's see what do we got here. All right, this one I think I'll keep. This one I'll keep. This one, let's get rid of this one. And the way you get rid of it is you're going to hit the Option key, and then you're going to hit the Delete key on your keyboard, and it's going to bring up this little window here. It says delete one photo. And this is like a fail-safe so that you don't delete a photo that you don't want to. So you have to do this with an individual one. So I can go ahead and delete that. And so now that photo, if I go this way, you see it's gone. Now let's go to the next one. I'm going to keep that one. So you see I've got two of these. And let's just go ahead and we'll delete this one. We're going to hit the Option key and then we're going to hit delete one more time so you can see how to delete an individual photo. Bam, done. Now I'm going to double click on this photo and it's going to come back to my grid. All right, so now I want to delete multiple photos. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one, and I'm going to click on it and highlight it. Then I'm going to go over to this one, and I'm going to hit my Shift key on my keyboard. To highlight a row, you're going to press down on the Shift key and hold it. Then you're going to take your mouse over to the end picture that you want to highlight the full row, and then you're going to click on it, and that will highlight the whole row, and you can delete the whole row by going Option Delete. And I'm going to click on my mouse, and you'll notice it highlights these. Now I'm going to go to the Option key, and I'm going to hit the Delete key. And it's going to bring up a box, and it's going to say delete 3 photos. Are you sure you want to delete these photos? Yes, I'm sure. So I'm going to go ahead and delete them, and they're going to be permanently deleted after 60 days. So they haven't completely disappeared, but they will disappear in 2 months. So bam, now they're gone. That's how you delete multiple photos in Lightroom. So that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff in Lightroom. Peace out.